And a beautiful day it is today here in Redline. We're working down towards Redline, outside of Redline actually. But just let me grab push brooms over there. The house we're doing here, it's out kind of in the middle of nowhere, but go in and show you guys what I'm talking about. So there's the carpet. It's a long time coming here. The customer's been saving to get this done, and it's that time. It was pretty bad. They have a couple dogs. Take you guys in here to check out second job of the week. So yesterday and the day before we did a job up in Pottsville. Came out pretty nice. I don't like pine floors, but it came out pretty good for pine. The customer was very pleased. This is it. So, yeah, we tore up the carpet, we tore up the padding. That's all you guys missed. We've only been here like, I don't know, an hour and some change, but it's so bad that Sebby's going around and just basically scraping it because it's just sticking. Like, I like to use my foot. Go like that, get it, I'm using a shovel, using a knife, a drywall knife. Yeah, it's just a lot, but it's an easy job. We're doing this hallway and the living room. We're stopping here. I'm probably gonna roll the carpet and just staple it instead of putting a transition there, because we're gonna be doing this bedroom as well, probably the bathroom. A nice jacuzzi there. Seb, you see that jacuzzi? It's pretty nice. I could use that like right now. Back's hurting. But yeah, this goes to the basement, so we're gonna stop it right there. Taking out the carpet, padding, tack strip, and then we got to undercut 1, 2, 3, 4 door jams. Yeah, then we gotta go pick the flooring up. It's like 300 square feet. We'll have this done. We could have this done today, but we have today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, when we're done with this, we gotta run about 10 minutes from here. On the other side of Redline, a customer had an outfit come out and do a tile, put down tile floor, and they didn't thin set it. They didn't thin set it right around the edge. I'm guessing they didn't thin set it all the way, to the edge, because it's like they're coming loose. So we got to go there and pull some tile up and re-thin set. So that'll be an easy job. And the reason we're doing that's like a minimum. We charge a $250 minimum charge just to come out, even if it takes 10 minutes. Just because it's just not worth my time. Otherwise, people, that's just the way I charge something like that. It's only going to take us not even an hour to do that. But I have to charge them something. Thin set. I got to make sure I have thin set for that job. That reminds me. Anyway, stay tuned. Sorry, I got a little sidetracked there. That's my ADD kicking in. But yeah, stay tuned for the finished product here. It's going to be nice. It's going to change the whole look of this house. In fact, there's one of the dogs right now with a big fat donut. Here, puppy. They have German Shepherds. They're pretty cool dogs. But anyway, yep, stay tuned. I'll take another video tomorrow, show you guys the finished product, and go from there. Have a good day.